I want pasta, but there's a snowstorm and I need to get out, but I don't want to go out. It's snowing a lot. I saw you. But still, I want pasta. I'm going out. Let's do it. Everything for the food. Everything for the food. Let's go out. Did I need my wallet? No, I don't need my wallet. I don't need my wallet. The best things that ever happened to me, Apple Pay. My grocery bag, we're good to go. I need my keys. Keys. I'll be back home. Let's do groceries. Yeah, the thing is, me as a person, I don't like to get a lot of food because it get waste. So I only do grocery for the things that I need, the things that I know I'm going to eat, so I don't waste food. Yeah, that's me. Let's do it. Oh my god, guys, today literally a lot of snow. Wow. Can't believe I'm going out like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look. Listen, I don't even know if the store is gonna be open, but I'm just literally going there. Cars are driving so slow because they can barely see. Like, you can see. I can't even see through the street. That's crazy. Me always going out during the snowstorm. Obviously me and Sophie. Is there any street car coming up? Ooh, no. There's not even street cars. Woo, the guy go. Let me show you. Like, you can even see the back properly. Look at that. Like, look how slow that car is driving. There's a park and there's a lot of like buildings in there and I cannot see nothing. This is above and beyond. I can barely see the buildings. Yeah, I'm walking to get my pasta on a snowstorm by her. This is Toronto, guys. Welcome to the Canadian life. Snow, storm, doesn't matter. You still get out of your ass. You always have to go to work. You still have to do groceries and all that stuff. walking in the snow, it's like you're running 5K in 20 minutes because you get so tired. And I have to go back. My God. Snow. Okay, I'm gonna push it inside. I feel my cold. I made it. Safe down. My God, my head. Okay, crazy. I made it. So now we're gonna do the swing lessons. I think I'm gonna take after this. Definitely. Finally home. We made it. I'm obsessed. Don't go to a grocery store and it's not during a snowstorm. Do not go to grocery in a storm. Snowstorm.